This is how to weld an open differential. First off, start with a good clean differential. I use brake cleaner to clean it. Then make sure you preheat the differential to get a good weld penetration. Now turn your welding machine to its maximum amperage. In our case it's 200 amperes. Weld the 4 gears to each other from both sides. Add plates with thickness 3 to 5 millimeters inside the differential. Important is that the plates don't get in the way of the axle when you slide them in. You can look from the sides to see if the plates are in the way. Now weld the plates into the differential and let it cool slowly overnight. Next day, clean the differential from welding spatter, and now you have a properly welded differential. Assemble and enjoy.